guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a collaboration with Nadula Hair. Nadula Hair sent me over this ash blonde 13x4 frontal wig. I installed it glueless, so yes, the sides are lifted. I did not pin them down, but I did kind of like melt the top. And this wig is going to be a giveaway wig, so if you want to enter this giveaway, make sure you leave a comment down below. I will have Nadula hair links in my description box if you guys are interested, and if I have any coupon codes, they'll be there as well. I just wanted to show you guys what came in the packaging like I always do, so you guys know what to look forward to getting. So this is their box. Their box is pretty same as usual. It's always the same. So it's like this. A wig cap, a headband, and a goodie bag with kind of the same things, but it has lashes and a brush. And that's what you will be receiving with this wig. When you comment down below and enter the giveaway, you're going to be receiving those things as well. If you guys want to see how I installed this frontal wig and I made it look really nice, like it still looks nice even though it's not really glued down. It's not glued down at all. Let's get right into this video. And this is straight out of the packaging. Comes bone straight, everything parted, edges back. We're just gonna install it.
So I was right. You were too good to be true. Was this love fulfilling, or did I just fill my void like a fool? Yeah. That final night, I miss you. I believed it did not, cause it felt like the right thing to do, yeah. Cause it feels like I owe you for all those years of happiness you brought me. You gave me that, so I'll give you that. Not one thing that I would take back. Feels like I owe you for all those years of happiness you brought me. You gave me that, so I'll give you that. Though you didn't love me back, you were the best I had. So I was right. You never did see my worth, but I don't resent you. I was convinced I was getting the world. Thank you for making me think that I had everything I had asked God from. You made me feel so damn good, I forgot you didn't love me. Cause it feels like I owe you for all the years of happiness you brought me. You gave me that, so I'll give you that. Not one thing that I would take back. Feels like I owe you for all those years of happiness you brought me. You gave me that, so I'll give you that. Though you didn't love me back, you were the best I had.
Okay guys, this is the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to check out Nadula Hair. I will have the links down below. Leave me a comment to enter the giveaway, and I will be posting the giveaway winner on Friday, whichever is the next Friday. If I'm posting this on a Friday, then it will be next Friday. So make sure you comment to enter, and yeah, thank you guys so much for supporting me, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye.
Cause it feels like I owe